My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring you another sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so we are already in the car. I say we because Chewy's right there. Chewy, look at it. My little handsome boy. Yeah, we at the park right now. We just dropped Classic off at school. Going to take him for a little walk so he can, play his system. Then I'm gonna drop him back off at the house, and then we're gonna head up to location unknown to go get you another one of them early sneaker reviews. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be 1000% honest with y'all because I don't like lying to y'all. This video, this intro and the outro of this are not the same as the body of this video. What I mean by that is I actually did the early review yesterday. I think it's the 19th if I'm not mistaken. Right now it is the 19th. I did the body of this video, the actual sneaker review, the 18th. I just forgot. I came home, I was so tired. I had some hair on me. I had remodeled my living room a little bit and I knocked out sleep. I completely forgot about the video. So I did the video on the 18th. The intro is the 19th. The sneaker actually drops on the 20th, which I will say in the video. So I apologize for that. So it's still an early review though, because it's coming out a day before the actual initial drop. So yeah, I didn't want to lie to y'all. I do got to go up to this location though, but not for the sneaker review, for something else. I gotta go pick up something else. Anyway, so enjoy the video. Chewy, he's just ready to go. We at the park, like I said, he's just ready to get up out of here. So anyway, enjoy the video. I will be back after the body of the video, the actual sneaker review, to give y'all some information. So stay tuned. Hey. All right, cool. Here we go. As you can see right there, we got that Air Jordan 2 box. I always been a fan of the Air Jordan 2 box. I like the box. But see that? Got the wings right there, the Air Jordan right there, going all the way around. Let's read. Air Jordan 2 Retro, white, fire red. So what did I say? I'm sorry, white, fire red, black sail. Excuse me, I ain't no focus. Suggested retail price, I think it's $200, but you know, I'm always gonna give you the real price when I get back to the house with some real information. Size 8.5. So you know what that mean? Personal pair, no reseller here, but even though this is my personal size, I have not made up my mind if I'm gonna buy these. Regular white paper. Got this little Air Jordan 2 booklet, what they usually come with. Nothing special on it. Wings on the back. Boom. And boom. Here we go. I'm gonna take it out. Take them both out. Put that back there. Boom. Boom. Without further ado, we got the, what are these called? The Air Jordan 2 Pythons. Boom. All right, like I said, we got the Air Jordan 2 Pythons. Python, because you see is this little snake print right there going around in gray. I like that. It said fire red. I don't know where they got that from. I guess they talking about this right here. I'm assuming they talking about this red right here. That's the fire red. Got the black on the back. Got that sail on the heel right there on the back. Sail right there on the eyelids. See the Air Jordan right there, the little tag right there, you got that. Hold on, let me show y'all this a little bit better. Nike Air on this side, on the back side, the Air Jordan wings right there. Y'all gonna have to excuse my nails, I've been at work, so. Air Jordan wings on the tongue in black. Black sock liner on the inside. White laces, like I said, no extra laces came in this. And yeah, I mean, pretty plain shoe. Now, oh yeah, got that purple on the bottom, on the outer sole with Nike right there. Pretty plain shoe. I mean, I'm probably not gonna get these. Now that I'm looking at them, there's nothing bad about them. It's not an ugly shoe. I actually like the shoe, and I like Air Jordan 2s. Air Jordan 2s aren't that popular, but for me, I mean, I just like them. These come out the 20th, so this is an early review. I mean, like a 2-day early review. This is the 18th right now, so I mean, it's a decent shoe. It's not bad. Copper drop, probably gonna drop them. Don't need them. Still have not bought a shoe in the month of January. Have not bought a shoe in the year of 2024. So we're gonna see how long I keep this going. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the shoe. Is it worth a copper drop for y'all? Do y'all like the shoe? Is it bad? Are you a fan of Air Jordan 2s? Are you not? Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the house, give y'all some information. Probably not gonna give y'all too much information about it because it is an Air Jordan 2, so ain't nothing really to talk about. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Let's go back to the house. Okay, I'm back. Got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. As always, it's going to be right next to me. It should be up right now. All right, so it reads, Nike Inc. has confirmed that the Air Jordan 2 Python will release as part of the Jordan Brand Spring 2024 collection. Additionally, the shoe will be available in 4 family size, adult, GS, PS, and TD, all arriving on January the 20th, 2024. That was not any information at all. That's another, here goes some, we'll give you all these images. Boom, hold on, Chewy's right here messing with me. Boom, so you can see more detailed looks of it right there. That looks, that doesn't even look, on that fourth picture, where we at, right? That doesn't even, that looks green. Was it green on the bottom? That looks black. Oh. Anyway, traditional retail price is $175. I told you I was going to give y'all that when I got back here. But I do want to give y'all some more information. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. All right. It says, introducing the Air Jordan 2 Python, a modern take on the iconic 1986 design, slated for its debut in early 2024. This fresh release pays homage to Nike's Air Python legacy with a chic snakeskin pattern, and palette of white, fire red, black sail, and cement gray. This Air Jordan 2 boosts a clean aesthetics. The white lever upper is complemented by the black accents on the wings, tongue logo, inner liner, and heel counter. Notably, fire red highlights the Nike. I don't know why I say Nike. It's Nike, whatever. I mean Nike, whatever. Nike branded on the heels, injecting a burst of familiar color into the classic retro model. The standout feature, the Python snakeskin texture, adorning the midfoot overlay, elevating its overall style. A finishing touch is the sail midsole atop a cement gray rubber outsole, completing the design seamlessly. See, this is more information. That's what I like. I like that. That was more information. Yeah, and it's just talking about the release and everything like that. In conclusion, the AG2 Python not only embraces the roots of the 1986 classic, but also introduces a fresh narrative with its stylish Python snakeskin texture. Make sure to secure your pair on January 20th, which is tomorrow. I skipped that paragraph right above that. If you want to read that, it's still on the screen. Blends nostalgia and modern design, making it a must-have for sneaker. It's not a must-have for me. It's just not. They go some more pictures if you want some more right there. So not a must for me. Take that off the screen. Boom. All right, not a must for me. I think I'm gonna pass on it. Like I told y'all back at the location that I still have not bought a sneaker for 2024. I have not bought a sneaker for the month of January. So I'm going to try to hold true to that. We know the Red Forest come out next month, the 17th. I will be getting those. Probably double pair, but yeah. We're going to see if I can hold true to this. But y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a copper drop for y'all. If y'all want to pick it up, there go Chewy right there. Yoda right there on the floor too. You just want to get up on them. Look at you, just want to get up on them. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, for me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.
Chewy. I love you.